So you're thinking about joining Healthy New Living. You've been watching several videos, maybe you've been reading some articles, and you're to the point where you're like, yo, I think this is a really dope opportunity, but I want to be on the best team, right? Because Healthy New Living is a like affiliate marketing / network marketing opportunity where yes, you can make a lot of money from building a team, right? So you might be wondering, like, I want to be on the best team. Now, here's the thing, I'm gonna be honest with you, all right? Healthy New Living is a brand new company, it's fresh, and to be honest with you, when it comes to finding the best team right now, you really can't go wrong. And here's what I mean. Everybody in the company right now that I interact with, that you know, I talk with other leaders who aren't even on my team, everybody is so cool, right? And like I said, because it really is a family type vibe. I know that sounds cheesy, I know it sounds corny, but I've been doing this for 14 years, right? In internet marketing and companies and this and that. And everybody is so damn cool, right? And everybody is extremely helpful. Now, yes, you want to be wise in the sponsor you pick, because a good sponsor will help you get started. A good sponsor will communicate with you via the phone, Facebook, Zoom meetings. That's what a good sponsor will do for you. And so far, a lot of the team leaders that I've engaged with, they're all are very helpful in communicating with the people on their teams. Me, myself, I'm the same way. Like if you do decide to jump on, you know, my team, you know, I'm here. Like I'm 100%, you know, here to help you be successful with the business. And the cool thing is, when you join my team, you know, I'm going to give you access to all the tools that I have access to help you build your business and help you build it very, very quickly. All right. I've already earned money, and I've earned money very, very quickly with this company. And it's super exciting to be a part of something where you're earning and everybody you working with is real cool. The program is super easy to promote. The products are super easy to promote. So the guy who I joined under, real cool dude, my sponsor, is super cool. So he's actually leading by example and showing me how I need to be with people who join underneath me on my team. So everything that he provides me, I provide to the people on my team. All right. So, and once again, don't take it wrong. A lot of people, when you join a team, they're going to hook you up with some cool stuff too. Right. So it's just like a preference thing right now. There's really no best team to get on, because remember, when you join, you're underneath your sponsor. So your best bet in trying to, you know, decide if you want to join Healthy New Living, it just don't really go by the team, go by the sponsor, right? You got to ask yourself, is this somebody who I want to communicate with? Is this somebody who I think will help me? Is this somebody I want to interact with? That's what you need to be basing it off of, because right now, everybody so far is just cool. Like I'm cool with one of the top earners I talk to, and they're not even on my team. They're very helpful. My sponsor is doing very, very well. He's easy to talk to. We talk to each other. That's probably the messaging right now on Facebook. But we communicate all the time. The people underneath me, we communicate with each other. And one thing that's cool, which what a lot of the leaders are doing, I'm not sure everybody doing it, but like we have our own private chats and our own on our own teams. Teams got their own little private chats where we motivate each other. We give each other ideas and strategies. And it's super, super cool. So if you're looking for the best team, you really can't go wrong. You just need to pick the best sponsor for you. If it's me, great. Let's rock and roll. You know what I'm saying? First link in the description. Let's go. If it's somebody else that you like, another sponsor, then rock with them. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to ask them questions, to message them. It's all good, because remember, this is a team thing at the end where we need to help each other be successful, because when we help each other, we become more successful. And that's why I'm feeling this opportunity right now. Super excited about it. So hopefully this video helped you out. Once again, if you want to jump on my team and get all of the tools and training that I got, you already know what to do. All right. I will see you on the team. All right. Peace.